The New York Times reports that urgent warnings by government experts about the risks of routinely using powerful CT scans to screen patients for colon cancer were brushed aside by the Food and Drug Administration. This is according to agency documents and interviews with agency scientists. The average lifetime dose of diagnostic radiation has increased sevenfold since 1980, driven in part by the increasing popularity of CT scans. Such scans can deliver the radiation equivalent of 400 chest X-rays. An estimated 70 million CT scans are performed in the United States every year, up from 3 million in the early 1980s, and researchers estimate as many as 14,000 people may die every year of radiation-induced cancers as a result. A group of FDA scientists who are concerned about the risk of CT scans say that FDA managers ignored or suppressed their concerns, and that the resulting delay in making these concerns public may have led hundreds of patients to be endangered needlessly. Scores of internal agency documents show that agency managers sought to approve an application by General Electric to allow the use of CT scans for colon cancer screenings over the repeated objections of agency scientists who wanted the application rejected. After an FDA official recommended approving GE's application, Dr. Julian Nicholas, a gastroenterologist who worked under contract with the agency, responded that he felt strongly that approving the application could, quote, expose a number of Americans to a risk of radiation that is unwarranted and may lead to instances of solid organ abdominal cancer. But the concerns expressed by Nicholas and his colleagues were ignored. Nicholas said, quote, I was first ignored, then pressured to change my scientific opinion. And when I refused to do that, I was intimidated and ultimately terminated. The FDA has since done little to assess whether the scans are in the best interests of patients and whether the machines themselves properly protect patients or are beneficial for all of their now routine uses.